Hello food lovers! On the menu today, chicken carambola tagine, a lovely Mediterranean recipe, sweet, floral and spicy. It is a real summertime tagine. We're going to cut the chicken in slices. Now we're going to ground our spices, but we're going to keep the marjoram and the savory aside. The Persian salt, and now when we're almost done, we're going to add the herbs. Give it a few more minutes. And here we go. Press half a lemon, a good tablespoon of honey, a few tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our spice blend. Going to mix it up a little bit. Beautiful marinade. Add the chicken. Coat all the pieces well. And we're going to let our chicken marinate for 1 hour in the fridge. Take a saucepan, 1 liter of water, the 2 cubes of chicken stock, medium heat, and take it to the boiling point. Once it starts boiling, normally the cubes are dissolved, and we're going to kill the heat, and we're going to add the rest of our spice mix. Give it a good stir. Okay, our stock is ready. We're going to coat the tagine with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to add the slices of onions on the bottom. We're going to add some of the garlic cloves, some black olives, a little bit of ginger, and some dried carambola slices. And we're going to add our chicken. Sweet bell pepper. And we're going to continue building this up. Garlic. And we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Carambola is such a beautiful sweet fruit. Now we're going to add some of our stock in the middle. A bit on the side. And we're also going to add the rest of our marinade. So we still get some stock left if needed, if it dries out too much. We're going to put the lid on the tagine, and we're going to put it on a low heat. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to heat up the inside of the tagine. So once it starts to simmer, it's going to cook low and slow for 1.5 hours. Don't forget to check out every half an hour to see if you still got enough stock in there, and add some more if needed. Now we're 1.5 hours ahead. That looks perfectly cooked. The meat is really tender. Gonna have a little taste of the stock. Beautiful. Wow, lovely flavor. Add just a simple salad and some tomatoes and serve it with pita bread. But if you serve it with semolina or couscous or rice, Believe me, you're going to enjoy all those beautiful flavors in there. Don't forget to serve a little bit of harissa with this dish. If you want to make your homemade harissa, the recipe is at the end of the video and in the description box. Chicken, carambola, tagine, sweet, floral and spicy. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.